Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Blessing. Thank you for clicking on this video. I'm going to show you how I refresh my box braid. So this is how my hair look after 2 months. You can see it's a bit rough, and then I have some new growth. Sure you can see. Yeah, so this is how it look after 2 months. So I'm going to show you the way I refresh my braids. Usually I don't do anything on my hair until after a month. Then I start to wash. I've actually washed my hair twice since installation. I've washed it twice. So I'm going to show you the simple and easy way I refresh my braids. It's very easy. We'll need a few items. First of all, we'll need a spray bottle with water in it. Just any spray bottle will do. Yeah, we'll also need clips. This is optional. I really don't need it, but clips. We need hair ties just to tie your hair and keep it out of your face. And then a scalp. You start by choosing the part you want. I want my hair to be in the middle part. Look at how my hair is actually. Let me show you exactly how it looks. See, look at the inside of it. You can see the lines are not visible anymore. They're just all over the place, but this is how it look after 2 months. I know for some people this may be too messy, and for others it might be okay. So but this is my own 2-month-old braid. First of all, you section out the parts you want. I want my hair to be in the middle part, so I know this is a straight line. Yeah, this is the portion I want to refresh. So I'll be refreshing this part of the braids, this part and this part. Basically section out the part you would like to refresh. Like so start with this first one here. What I do is I just spray a little bit of water on the hair. Some people like to apply conditioner and gel, but I don't do that. I just stick to water because conditioner, gel, they leave build-ups, and then the point at which your natural hair meets the artificial hair, you start having build-ups there. So to avoid all of that, I just like to go in with water because I know it dries clear, there's no build-up. But if you still want to use conditioner, it's advisable to use a water-based conditioner. So yeah, just sprinkle a little bit of water and then gather the hair around the braid and twist. That's it, basically. Tuck it behind your ear. Pick another strand of hair. Water. Twist. Tuck it behind. Please don't twist too tight so that you don't hurt yourself, okay? And make sure the braid have enough moisture, enough water in it. This method is not painful at all. Once again, wet the hair and then twist. Again, wet the hair, the braid. Your natural hair, actually, it's the natural hair you're wetting, not the braid, so that it can dry easily. Just put a little bit of water, because the more water you put, the longer it will take to dry. You just need a little bit of water and then twist. And you can have this on for about a week without it unraveling, as long as you don't leave your hair down. So we are down to the last braid. Once again, I apply a little bit of water and smooth it in. If you want to apply conditioner or gel, this is the point you apply it, but since I'm not, I'll just go ahead and twist. And that is it. See how it looks compared to these other ones at the back that I did not refresh. Yeah. So now for the styling, you carefully part your hair into two, carefully, so that you don't unravel the twists. I want my hair to be in the center part, so this is the part. Carefully take it to the back. I make sure to pick all the ones I just refreshed, and also make sure it covers the ones I did not refresh, because I can't do everything. But if you have time, you can do everything. So after sectioning them, after putting the two parts together, that is the left and the right, I just go ahead and tie it with a headband. After styling, go ahead and tie your scarf. You can leave the scarf on for about 5 to 10 minutes. So 5 minutes later, this is how my braids look. They look neater, and I can have this on for about a week without it unraveling. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please click the like button, leave a comment in the comment section, subscribe to my channel for more videos, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.